Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Love Strike Artistry channel. My name is Mia and I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite products. Now, some of these might be a little bit older and some of them might be kind of new, but these are the products that lately I just haven't been able to get rid of and I'm constantly replacing. And I just catch myself constantly reaching out to them. And these are my personal favorites. Some of them I do carry in my kit while others I don't. But for me, these are the products that I'm really falling in love with and I'm really enjoying using them. So let's go ahead and jump into that video. Let's go ahead and jump in and let you know what my favorite products, my current favorite products are. But before we go ahead and jump into this video, I want to ask you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. And go ahead and hit the little bell button as well, because I do post videos every Thursdays and every Sundays. So I don't want you guys to miss out on those videos. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump into my favorite current products. Now, the first product that I want to talk to you guys about is, you probably see me wear this constantly. I showcase this product probably in every either IGTV video that I make on my makeup looks, or even here on YouTube. And that product is the Kylie Jenner Skin Concealer. This little guy right here, I am in the color Maple, and honestly I picked this guy up. I went to Ulta and I saw that they had her line and I saw that they had the concealer, and honestly when it came down to her line, I never picked up any products from her. Now you're gonna probably hear me mention her name or her brand quite a bit in this video, just because I did pick up a few of her stuff, and there's actually, you know what, it's really good. I actually really like this this brand. I really enjoy it. However, with this particular one, I've noticed that it's not drying and it's not too creamy. It's actually perfect for my under eye. I feel like it's comfortable enough to wear throughout your day. I'm actually wearing it today, but I mixed it up a little bit with the Huda Beauty, and I feel like the Huda Beauty is what makes it a little thicker, and sometimes it kind of makes it move, but this product by itself, it just works so good. But I just wanted to brighten up my under eye a little bit, so that's why I added it in there. But the whole point of this product is that it's actually a really good concealer. I highly suggest, if you're trying to find something else, trying to find something that might work for you, or you're just in the lookout for something different, go ahead and try the Kylie Jenner concealer. I really feel like you're not going to be disappointed. Alright, the next product that I want to talk about, it's one that's been out for quite a while already. However, I just noticed that I'm constantly going back to it and I'm constantly using it. And I talked about this product on my last video as well. And this is the Fit Me from Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder. And it's this little guy right here, and it comes in this little square one. And this is in the color Medium Deep. So it's such a beautiful finishing powder. It almost feels like it smooths out all of your imperfections, and it just makes your skin look like a baby's bottom. It's so, it almost seems like you're being Facetune in real life. That's kind of how I feel about this powder. It really is a magical powder. You feel like, maybe throughout your makeup, you're just keep adding, just trying to get that smooth finish. And I feel like once you apply this powder, you actually do achieve that smooth finish into your makeup. And it just looks so beautiful. It's so pretty. Another product that I really like, I am more of a dry skin person. So when it comes down to finishing sprays and all of that, I usually like something that's a little bit more on the glowy and hydrating side. That's just my preference. I know some people have maybe more oily skin, so they want to spray something that's going to feel like they're snatched. However, for me, I like something that's really fine and something that's going to give me a nice glow and a nice hydrating feel. So that's why I've been loving the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This one smells like summer, first of all, because it's like watermelon, but it smells so good. It just has a very fine mist and it just feels so freshening once you put it on. The best thing, if you are trying to find something that's more on the hydrating side, something that's going to give you a nice light glow, nothing too crazy, I really feel like you guys are going to love this one. You could use this before your makeup, and you could definitely use this for after your makeup. Now, another makeup product that I love, honestly, and I discovered these because I follow a makeup influencer on Instagram, is Rizzy, and she was talking about these particular eyeshadows, and she brought them out, and I was just kind of I was very intrigued by them, and then I went to Sephora and I saw them and I was like, wait, I think these are the shadows she was talking about. So I wanted to like pick them up and see if they really worked. Girls, let me tell you, these shadows are so buttery and like, I can't even explain how these shadows are, but they are super, super good. I honestly love them. I love them so much. These are the Kaja eyeshadows. This one is in chocolate Dahlia, and this is in glowing Guava. And so this is more of like a little pink undertone. It has this, oh, this is such a pretty shimmer. And then this is like a little darker one. So it has more of like a pink, like a pinky tone to this. It's so, so, so pretty. This one is more like a natural cool. So it has this really pretty, like, kind of like champagne color with a little bit of like pink and natural. It's so beautiful. It's so, so pretty. Look at that. I actually use this. It's actually the eyeshadow I'm using today. This palette, this little three little palette, what are these called? Little stacks. Yeah, I guess this little stack of shadows. So I'm using these actually on my eye today, but they're so, so pretty. This is the other one. I hit pan on this one already. I need to go get another one. This is a really pretty like transition shade. And then there's this little dark brown color, which is what I'm wearing right now. And it actually comes out like a little bit darker than you would think, but they blend out so, so nicely. I honestly, like, I love these so much. If you have taken my 101 bridal class, I usually give like a goodie bag on my 101 bridal class, and these guys for sure are in there. I make sure that you guys try this out because they're just definitely worth it. They're so buttery and soft, like, and they're so nicely pigmented too. Like, oh my gosh, even feeling them, there's not that much fallout. Literally, like, you can see it. It's like, it's so, 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 so pretty. The other product that I really love, and that you guys probably see me use this a lot as well, is the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. I used to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, and I really like that one, but I feel like it finishes so fast. Like, it just, I go through those so, so fast. And I also noticed that it was very, they were very like pigmented. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I just felt like they were very harsh. Like, I really had to have like that soft hand in order for it to work well. And then when I picked this guy up, it's so smooth. I feel like they don't really dry out either. I don't know if it's just like the way that they designed this little guy or whatnot. I do like the packaging of this as well. It just kind of looks like, kind of gives me a vibe of like a little arrow, like just throwing it out there, or like a little wand. I don't know, it's just kind of cool. But I really love the packaging on this, and like the precision of this. It's like super tiny and fine. It kind of allows me to just really create those like little brows, hairs, and then I just use the little spoolie to kind of like brush myself up. But I really like this one. I feel like it's nice and smooth. It's buildable, so I feel like sometimes we get super excited, at least for me. Sometimes I get like really into it, and I just don't want to be that gentle with it when I first go in. So I feel like once you go in with this one, like you don't feel like you have to be that gentle. It's actually like, it's a nice color, but you can keep on going and building it up to it, which for me, I like that. I like to be more in control of my product. I don't like for my product to control me and tell me you need to slow down. It's like, no, you need to work for me. That's kind of how I feel about products. So I feel like this little guy definitely does that. Now for skincare, I am really basic when it comes down to skincare. I don't know what it is. I'm not really like invested in skincare. I do know skincare is super duper important for your makeup to come out looking amazing. It's like literally your skin is where it all starts. If you want a nice finish, you have to have obviously nice skin. So definitely, you know, the investment of like skincare needs to be there. However, for me, like I'm always drawn to like more of like the makeup. When it comes down to skincare, I'm not really into it. However, like I said, I went into Ulta and I noticed that Kylie's skin was there at Ulta. So I was like, you know what? I keep hearing everybody talking about it. Even my cousins were talking about this, and I'm not even sure if they're like fans of the Kardashians or not, but they were talking about like her skin line, and everybody was just like raving and saying that it works really good. So I was like, you know what? Why not try it? Why not pick it up and try it? So I went and I got the vitamin C serum, and I also picked up the eye cream. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, when I picked these guys up and I put it on my skin, well, right before I was putting it on my skin, I was like, I swear these are gonna fail, and I don't even know why I bought these. Like, I had a feeling that I was gonna be ready to like return these two products. No, girl, let me tell you, even the first try with the vitamin C serum, as soon as I put it in, I just felt this like super nice hydrating like feel to it, and I just felt like my skin was like, hallelujah, you know, like it's super good. I felt it penetrate into my skin, and I did notice that difference of like when I've tried like other serums, how they feel, and some of them feel just kind of like meh, you know, like we're serum. But this one felt kind of rich, and it felt healthy, and it felt like it was really trying to do something for my skin. It's really hard to explain. However, I did notice that like my skin was very happy with this. The other one is the eye cream. I was like, oh, this eye cream is probably going to be like whatever, hydrated under the skin, blah blah. But everybody kept saying that this eye cream is like rejuvenating their eyes pretty much. So I was like, okay, whatever. Let's go ahead and try it. And everybody keeps talking about it. And when I tried to buy it online, it said it was sold out. So I was like, okay. And I found it there. So I was like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. And you guys, I just like dabbed it in my eye. And then not even like 5 seconds. And my eyes were like lifting. It was the weirdest feeling, but you could definitely feel it working. Like, this bad boy works. I literally felt like my bags were getting like synced in. I don't know. Let me see what it says. It does have caffeine. That's what I was going to say. I think it does have caffeine where it like wakes up your eye. Okay, so it says, this unique formula contains a blend of caffeine, green tea, vitamin E, and pomegranate extracts that help brighten, hydrate, and reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. No joke, it does. It literally does the job with the first try. I kept using it and I did notice the difference. So if you guys are looking for an eye cream that I would say high-end, but that it's affordable, this guy. Just go ahead and pick him up. It's honestly like it has changed my life for sure, and I do notice the difference. I notice the difference when I don't wear it, and I notice when I need it and I wear it and my under eyes know that it needed it and it's wearing it. Like, I can feel those ingredients really penetrating into my under eye, and it works, you guys. They really, really work. So these two bad boys I really, really enjoy. I mostly put them in at night. I don't really wear it during the day. I feel like it does the job perfectly for me to when I wake up, and it's like perfect there. However, if I needed a little extra, then I usually use just the under eye one. And then I'll just go in with like an oil or like my regular moisturizer or something like that. So, okay guys, well that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoy me sharing my current favorite products. If you are looking for any type of these products, like a new brow product or some skincare, concealer, shadows, whatever it is, I really hope that you guys go ahead and give these products a try. I really feel like you guys are not going to be disappointed. If you have tried this, let me know what you actually think about these products. Do you agree? Do you disagree? What kind of skin type do you guys have? Does it work for you? Does it not? I'd love to hear you guys' opinion. For those of you who are curious about these products and you want to know what the name of this products and like which ones I'm using, I'm definitely going to list everything in the description box, so that way it can be super easy for you guys to get a hold of that. And I know I've said this in the beginning of the video, but I'm going to go ahead and remind you again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that right now. And if you did enjoy me giving you kind of like my opinion and me sharing these products with you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Again, I do show videos every Thursdays and Sundays, so make sure that if you want to be notified, you hit that little bell button, so that way you are the first one to be notified when a video is dropped. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope I catch you guys next time. Bye.